Students, this video we will see the example 2.33 arithmetic progression. Okay, then how many terms of AP? How many terms of AP in AP means arithmetic progression. The sequence, they are given sequence 1 plus 5 plus 9 must be taken. So their sum is sum sum addition. Sum is 190. And the sequence, they are given the sequence. If you are adding, the answer is 190. The answer is 190. So they are given the sequence also. Now we have to find how many terms are there. What is this? How many terms? That is the question. See here, first one, they are given sequence. 1 plus 5 plus 9 plus etc. Okay, so this is the given sequence. Okay, next one more, even they are given the sum of the sequence is 190. The sum of the sequence is 190. From the sequence we know that A is equal to 1. Okay, A is equal to, what is A? A is the first term of the sequence. A is the first term of the sequence. A is equal to 1. And D is equal to, what is the T2 minus T1? What is T2? Term 2 minus term 1. Term 2 is equal to 5. 5 minus 1 is equal to 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. That is difference. The difference of the sequence is 4. That is also they are given. Okay. So the formula, the sum of the sequence formula is Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay. So in this Sn, we have to write this side. Sn. Okay, because they are given this Sn, sum of the sequence, they are given. So we have to write that side. So now we will substitute this value there. What we will get the value, we will substitute it here. Okay. So n is equal to n by 2. N, now we have to find out this value, number of terms. Okay. So that we want to find out. Next, 2 into A. 2A. A is equal to 1. Plus n. Again we want to find out. Okay, n minus 1. D is equal to 4. Is equal to 190. Is equal to 190. Sn. They are given values. Next, n into, see that, n into 2. 2 into 1 is equal to 2. Plus, the 4 is common for these two values. 4 into n is equal to 4n minus 4a. 4n minus 4a is equal to 190 into 2. 190 into 2. Okay. So next, this 2 is a division. If you are taking this side, it is a multiplication. So it is over. So next, n into 4n minus 2. How did you get this? One is a positive, another one is a negative. So we will go for the subtraction and make a biggest number sign. Okay, is equal to 190 into 2. Okay, it is, if you need you can multiply. So otherwise it is possible to cancel. Okay, so that's why I am keeping like this. So next, these two values 4n and 2. Okay, these two values, 2 is a common and n is a common. Okay, so first we will multiply with n. N into 4n is equal to 4n square minus n into 2 is equal to 2n is equal to 190 into 2. These two values, 2 is a common. So 2 we are taking outside. 2n square minus n. 2 we are taking outside. So only n is the balance. Is equal to 190 into 2. So next. So 2, there is a multiplication. If you are taking that side, it is a division. See here, if it is division, if you are taking that side, it is a multiplication. Now this is a multiplication. If you are taking this side, it is a division. Okay. So 2n square minus n 190 into 2, then divided by 2. So 2 will be cancelled. So 2n square minus n minus 190 is equal to 0. Okay. So now this is the formation of factorization. Now this is the formation of factorization. Now you have to take this value 2 into 190 is equal to, see, 380. Factorization already we have studied in 8th and some standard, say 9th standard also. Okay. 2 into 180 is equal to 380. Okay. Now we are consider the two values, two numbers. If you are multiplied, you want to get for 380. 380. The same number, if you are adding means, if you are add means you want to get for the minus coefficient of n. Minus coefficient of n. So it is a minus 1. So the factors are minus 20 plus 19. If you are multiply these two values, you will get a 380. So we can substitute this value. So here 2n square minus 20n plus 19n minus 190 is equal to 0. Okay. And these two values, first 2 and n is a common. 2n is a common. Okay. So balance it. N minus 10n. Okay. And here also plus 19 is a common. Again n minus 10n. So the factors are 2n plus 19 and n minus 10n. N minus 10 is equal to 0. So 2n plus 19 is equal to 0. So 2n is equal to minus 19. N is equal to minus 19 by 2. One of the value. Then one more value. N minus 10 is equal to 0. Then n is equal to plus 10. N is equal to plus 10. So here we are how many terms of the AP? Countable numbers. Okay. So these numbers not a negative. Only the positive value we are consider. Only the positive value we are consider. So then how many terms is the question? The answer is the number of terms in the sequence. The number of terms in the sequence is 10 terms is there. So n is equal to 10. Okay. Did you understand? Okay, thank you.